Hi lovely people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making this delicious light soup. To start preparing our light soup, we need to first of all boil our vegetables. So I'll be boiling some garden eggs, tomatoes, onions and pepper. We'll allow these to boil until they become soft, and while that is boiling, I'll blend some onions, ginger and garlic and set aside. So our vegetables are ready, they are very soft. Here I have some meat that I'll be using. This is dark meat. So the ginger, onions and garlic I blended earlier, I'm adding it to the meat right now, and I'll add salt to taste and some seasoning cube. I'll also add tomato paste and a little water, then I'll cover it and allow it to steam. The vegetables I boiled have cooled down a bit, so I'll blend and set aside. Our meat has started boiling already, so I'll mix this very well, then I'll add a little water and allow it to continue cooking. Our meat has been cooking for some time now. At this point, I'll add the blended vegetables. I will also be adding some reasonable amount of water to it. Remember, we are making light soup and we don't want our soup to be thick. Then after that, I will allow this to boil for some time. Then I have some catfish here. I will add some of the catfish to this at this point, and then I'll also adjust the salt and allow it to continue cooking until it is ready. Lastly, I would love to drop in some pepper. This is optional. You can decide not to add any pepper. Then I'll let it simmer for a few minutes and our soup is ready. So at this point, the soup is ready. We'll now take it off the fire. Then we'll serve it with our kokonte. You can serve it with whatever you want, but we are serving ours with kokonte. So please give this soup a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Here we have our soup served with some kokonte, and trust me, it tasted so delicious. Please give this a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, comment and subscribe, and see you in our next video.